What is up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. Now, I don't feel like putting on any makeup today, so I thought I would stick with the essential, the brows. So I'm gonna show y'all how to get a snatched brow. Okay, is everyone paying attention? Because, girl, having snatched brows makes you edgy, it makes you interesting, it makes you unique. And that's what you want. And you want to, like, when people give you a fucking dirty look, you just want to scowl at them, you know? So, start off by combing those hairs down. And if you haven't tweezed your eyebrows, who fucking cares? Just draw over them. So you want to comb those little hairs down, right? Then you want to get a brow pencil. Honestly, anyone really works, but get one that's, like, twisty, uppy, and not expensive. This was, like, $7 at the discount store. So that's what you're going to want to do. So now you got them combed down, so it'll be easier to draw them on. So you're gonna go up in here. I'm using literally my monitor, so hopefully I'm right. You're gonna come up here, and you're gonna draw your brow a lot higher than it is, because thick brows are in, and I wanna be a Visco girl, so draw those fuckers real thick. And if my sister interrupts me, I'm gonna freak out. Like so. So sorry, my whole sister interrupted. So you want to make it real square, okay? And this probably looks horrible off camera, but at least it looks okay on camera. Bitch. Do you see this shit? That looks like
burrito.
A vomit. I'm trying to do a brow tutorial, whore. Would you like to talk to the camera? Tell them what's good.
Look at my pussy.
Can you pop that ass for us, please? Oh, fuck. So, like I was saying, you're gonna square that shit, right? And I'm looking so oily today. See how the hairs are all going in this direction? Now you're gonna follow that, okay? See that? Follow that direction. And that way you'll fill in the brows in the middle. Once that's done, now you're gonna comb up. And sometimes I'll even take this and kind of brush out the pigment so that it is not as sharp. Okay, just like so. You don't want them to be too perfect, because then bitches know that you're fucking Crayola on. You're Crayoling, you're drawing on your brows. Okay, now you're gonna comb them up. Like that. I can't fucking see you. You're gonna go underneath. Okay, that's a little thick, but hey, the bigger the brow, the bolder the bitch. I honestly can't see with this light in my face, so y'all may or may not get a good brow. And then you'll be able to see which areas need to be filled in, hunty. Okay, there we go. Then you're gonna comb. Shalom. And typically, my brows look better, but I can't fucking see. Okay. Take a gander, okay? Brow. Brow. Ow. Ow. Now you don't want them too square because you don't want to look too square. You want to look natural. But notice how a little bit of darkness brings in the pop color in your eye, honey. Okay, before and after. This bitch. Anyways, I'm not actually gonna do the other eyebrow because I'm too tired, but there you guys go. Hope you liked it, hope you enjoyed it. Like, comment, subscribe, let me know what y'all think. Like, give me some video ideas. I'm gonna go wipe this off because I'm looking like, I don't even know. Deuces, muchachos, enjoy your day at work, whatever you gotta do. Drink lots of water. Okay, stay hydrated, and good night.